right now, I'm gonna bath Mocha, and it's her first bath. And yeah, I'm in my bathroom right now, and I'm gonna wash her in the sink because we just washed the dogs in there this morning. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna wash her, and because she's been outside, and she's like in the snow and stuff, so she's all dirty. So yeah. So here it goes. Okay, gonna put that down. Hope you guys can see. Okay. Good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So get her all wet. Okay. Oh, so cute. Okay. It's like all full now. Okay, get some soap on her. Drink some of this water. Yeah, so this is like her first bath. Yeah. She's like all heavy, so, okay. Just like a full of water. Okay, get some soap. And just scrub her off. Okay, so she's almost done. Get some more skin. Oh, it's too hot. Isn't this bath refreshing? Okay. So yeah, so she's kind of done. So yeah, so stay tuned for part 2 of when she's all dry. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.